What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for yet another video. We are so close to 5,000 subscribers, so make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit that like button, helps out a ton. Let's get into it. So a while back I made a summer EDC video, everyday carry, for this year, and since then I've implemented a lot of different gear, different things that I've found that work for me every day. So I figured I'd give a winter rundown of my current EDC gear that I'll be carrying this winter and go from there. Some of the stuff will be similar to last time, like my phone hasn't changed. It's like a Samsung S10 Plus, I want to say, regular smartphone. But my everyday pocket knife has changed to this little guy, and this is the Kaiser Sheepdog Mini. This one is in gold titanium. I'll have some close-ups on the screen. S35VN steel. I love this knife. It is super buttery smooth and has found its way into my pocket more and more and more every single day. Originally, I didn't want to do that because it was a little, it's like 160 bucks or something for the gold titanium version, but worth it. It's wearing very nicely. I love that, seeing my knives wear and how the metal kind of like tarnishes and stuff. Basically the wear pattern on the clip, all of that stuff. The only downside I found is that the clip loosens up every so often, so I have had to retighten that, but that is a super small drawback to a super smooth flipper. Cleaver blade, super useful, super sharp, and yeah, great little flipper knife. Use it every single day. Big one for me that I've swapped out is my wallet. I'm now rocking a Travax Original 2.0. If you saw my last video, which will be linked up in the corner, I used to just have one of those like chunky regular fold-over wallets, and so I soon after that switched to this Travax aluminum and titanium wallet, and it's got a bottle opener on there. It's got a multi-tool like screwdriver, a little loop if you want to clip it on your belt. Holds a bunch of cards. I've probably got 13 to 15 cards in here. Also has a money clip to hold some cash on the back. And yeah, it's been great. Super slim. I love the system of this thing. You basically undo the little strap. You can feed through all your cards, find which one you want, pull it out, click it back together. You also have a little draw tab on the back so you can pull it out of your pocket easier. Bottle openers come in handy many times at parties, and yeah, just a great little unit. They're pretty cheap. They're like 35 bucks, I think. And indestructible. If you drop it, your cards aren't gonna explode all over the place, which is nice because like a lot of the other systems don't have that extra little latch. So if you drop it, it's gonna explode. Really like the Travax 2.0 original, and it's been great to me. It's super slim. Can't really say much more about it. It's great. I did actually end up changing my watch out for a Nixon Regulus. This thing is basically a slimmer G-Shock and basically the same function. Last major thing I've switched for my winter EDC, because it is going to be colder, that means you can wear more layers. More layers means easier concealability. So for me, that means switching to a full-size carry rig. So I am now switching to this. This is my Glock that I picked up this summer. This is a Gen 5 Glock 45. And a tier 1 concealed Axis Slim with the wedge on the back. Extra mag, 17 rounds. This is Firearm itself. I will clear it for you now. Unless I kill my hand. Clear. And yeah, I've got an Olight PL Mini 2 on there. Great little light, love it, rechargeable. And yeah, I've put probably 2,000 rounds to this summer, and can't really complain. It's a Glock, it's gonna work. I wanted a 19X, but this one is just basically a 19X, but black, has the front slide serrations. This one I picked up from Arms List, and so it has an extended mag release from Hive and has suppressor sights. I will probably swap those out very soon. Doesn't bother me too much right now, so whatever. And yeah, it's a Glock holster. Great. If you have one of these, recommend the wedge. Once you get used to it, I would probably just carry this year round because it's easier to hide than my Shield was. So it's great. Tell your friends about the channel, send some videos somewhere. There's plenty of stuff on the channel, so if you want outdoor stuff, Land Rover content, M6 content, clay bottling stuff, outdoors, whatever, It's all there. Drifting's on there, racing's on there, fast cars, lots of fun. So be sure to check out the channel. There's playlists all over the place. I also have a second channel for airsoft stuff, which I've recently started. So if you want to check that out, I'll have that linked below, as well as product links to a lot of the stuff and gear I use regularly. So be sure to check all of that out. Have a great, wonderful rest of your day, week, life, whatever, and I'll see you guys next time.